Hi everyone, Joseph here. Big day. We are upgrading the big three today. Core 1 Plus, Core 1L and the XL. Everything gets a plus. Our printers have superpowers. The same machine can be someone's first technical Christmas project, the one that turns a kid into an engineer, and at the same time it powers research at the best universities in the world, or print parts that fly to orbit. The same printers help countries defend themselves and run in the most secure facilities on the planet. When we started 14 years ago, tinkering was part of the game. Nowadays, with Prusa you get a workhorse that just prints. But it's still your hardware. Open it, mod it, check every bit and byte. You don't need our permission. We actually want to see what you do with it. So, what's new? Prints now start faster, the surface finish is better, the nozzles clean themselves, and there's less babysitting in general. And the key thing? Whichever you pick, you get the same latest Prusa experience. And if you already own one, upgrade kits are on the way as always. Nothing you own becomes obsolete today. Another Prusa superpower. Many of these changes came straight from your feedback. So really, you helped us design this upgrade. And now, I'll let my team show you more.
My favorite of the lineup refresh is the XL Plus. One of the best things is the improved cooling, both of the tool heads and the heat bed. It's even a little faster now. And the most amazing thing is the new tool offset sensor, which brings the perfect tool offset calibration from Index to the XL Plus. That improves the color mixing technology a lot. Now you can have flawless color mix models printed on the XL.
So hi, I'm Anthony, part of the community team here at Prusa. And one of the things that I'm really excited about here with the upgrades that we're releasing is that these are also really heavily influenced by you, the community. With the dialogues that we've been having with you guys and all the experiments that you've been doing, we've learned a lot from what we can do to improve the upgrade kits that we release for our printers. The GT 1.5 belts are a great example of that, as we saw a lot of people experiment with that to try to reduce VFAs before we came out with the resonance avoidance feature in Prusa Slicer. Now, with those combined with the GT 1.5 belts, we are able to now tackle VFAs in a much larger scale. We're really happy to be able to improve the machines through upgrades and maintain that if you buy a printer now, in 2 years, when we release an upgrade, you get all the benefits of that upgrade to your machine.
So, I have more than just one favorite, but I'll start with XL. The XL Plus seems unassuming at first, but we brought on the high flow nozzle. And of course, with high flow nozzle comes 360 cooling, which together brings faster printing. And by default, with the upgraded enclosure, the chamber temperature is raised to 50 degrees Celsius. And with the add-on active chamber heater, it is good up to 60 degrees Celsius. That enables you to print much larger parts in one go with the good quality and good tolerances. And that cuts a lot of time on assembling the parts together. And with the Core 1 Plus Gen 2, I am most happy with the reduction of time from pushing the print to actual starting printing first layer, in some cases up to 10 minutes for PLA and PETG. That's greatly improving the experience of using the printer, and that's the whole point of this lineup upgrade.
Hello guys, I'm David Schwartz. Maybe you know me under the name Prusa Guy, and I am in charge of a Prusa Center. My favorite thing on a Core 1 Plus Gen 2 is it eliminates the pre-warming your heat bed till 85 degrees. So your PLA or PETG prints can start printing almost immediately.
We've spoken to a lot of businesses, and throughout the thousands of businesses we've spoken to, dependability, reliability, and security have been the 3 key points. Being able to know that your data is yours and that if you want to run your machine offline, you can.
So those are the upgrades. The goal has not changed. A tool that disappears out of the way and just delivers for years. Whether it sits under a Christmas tree or printing your production parts every day. More is coming this fall, so check out the release article on our blog. Thank you for your feedback and happy printing!